open the box in 3, 2, 1. So guys, this is what the packaging looks like. It's pink and shiny, and it says there are 10 surprises, and the box can turn into a playset. So let's open it now. Let's open the lid. Ta-da! I'll be careful with the box because I want to play with the box. Okay, first one. LOL pop. There we go. Let's open it. What's it? Oh, look! A little microphone. And it's squiggly. Next. Yeah. What is this? Cute pink shoes. Pink and black shoes. A bottle with a yellow cap. What's this? Huh? Oh, it's like the one that makes the music louder, guys. It's like when you're watching a concert, so the sound can be louder. What else? It's clothes. It's like a dress. Okay, this one. A guitar! And it's heart-shaped. I'm so happy. Nice glasses. What's this? A keyboard. And it has, I think it's tiger prints. This one. This feels like the dog. What about this one? Big. Oh, the stage! It's big! See? Oops, sorry. Okay, the doll. Wait, what's it? She's cute. She has stockings. And her hair, it's whirly. Let's see is there something? Oh, the instructions. Maybe we can find out how to turn the box into the playset. Guys, this is the final look of our LOL Music Festival. And I give this a 10 out of 10 because it's a LOL. It will always make you happy. And this is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you like LOLs just like me, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the bell button, and if you have comments, put it in the comment section below. Bye-bye!